Hey guys, what's up? Just doing a quick update on my WeBull and Robinhood accounts. Just to recap on what this is, my Robinhood account I started with $2,700, as you can see right here. My WeBull account I started with 2,500. So Robinhood was started in July of 2020. WeBull was started in September 2020. So these are my main trading accounts. I use TD Ameritrade and Tastyworks for options, but I wanted to show people with visibility how to, grow and trade and invest your money and just grow it over time. So all it takes is patience and waiting for the right setups, not FOMOing into, the next hottest stock, not following hot picks, not playing shitty penny stocks, right? Sometimes I'll buy some penny stocks here and there, but not all the time. But because the market's been hot on those lately, so just kind of taking advantage of that. But usually I trade options, I sell premium, but in this market I'm been more so trying to chase that alpha, buying straight shares or debit spreads. Well, anyways, here we go. So yeah, started with 2,700. My last video update was $11,000 combined for my Webull and Robinhood account. So as of today, as you can see, 8,300 here for Robinhood and 9,900 for the Webull account. So breaking over $18,000. Started with 5,200, 2,500 in the Webull, 2,700 in Robinhood. So, in order to follow my trades, I began some questions on how can people see when I enter and exit. I'm not gonna do it in the videos. You could follow my Twitter page, and I'm gonna start posting all my entries and all my exits, my idea on the trades. So, I think it's a better platform for that. In the video, just take too long and Robinhood isn't that intuitive in going over positions and when you entered all that. It would just be a very long video. So yeah, so follow my Twitter page at float underscore locker. Float underscore locker. You can also find the link on my YouTube channel. Just go to my about, I believe, and you'll see the Twitter link. So follow me on Twitter and you'll get all my plays. So you can see here the performance. This market has been really hot lately, so this isn't common, you know, um, but the concept's still the same. Just find low risk setups, risk what you're willing to lose, and and just trade the market. Over to the Webull, you can see started with 2,500 and now almost 10 grand since September. This one has really been outperforming lately. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's my update. That's my video update on these accounts. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment below, or if there's something you want to see. I mean, other than the actual entries and exits of my positions, you could do that. You could follow my Twitter page for that. But any other questions, feel free to ask. Thanks.